Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable Google Chrome flags to test beta features. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. The Google Chrome browser has tons of great features, but many of them are not available by default. Chrome flags can enable experimental and beta features if you know where to find them. It's surprisingly easy to do. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Flags are available for Chrome on almost every platform, including Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhone, iPad, and Android. Next, type Chrome flags in the address bar and hit enter. You will now be on a page titled Experimental. It's divided into two columns: available and unavailable. You can scroll through the available list or search for a specific flag. When you find a flag to turn on, select the drop-down menu, it will usually say Default, and choose Enabled. After enabling a flag, you'll need to restart the browser to apply the change. You can enable multiple flags before relaunching. Select the blue relaunch button when you're ready. That's all there is to it. You've entered a larger world of browser customization. Now go out there and test out potentially upcoming Chrome features. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. If you do, I'll appreciate it. See you in the next video.